Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Natty, and today I'm going to do a DIY Dollar Tree cabinet and drawer liner video for you. I did it in a time lapse so it goes by a lot faster. So I just wanted to get into it, but before I get into it, I wanted to tell you that this video is a collab with another YouTube mama named Maggie Hernandez. I will put her YouTube name right here for you guys so you can go ahead and check out her channel and subscribe. She's a mother of two who lives in New Mexico. She normally does vlogs, motherhood videos, lifestyle videos, and right now she's doing Vlogmas, so she has a lot of fun videos for you guys to check out. So again, her name is Maggie Hernandez and YouTube channel name is below. Check her out. And I hope you like the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, give it a like. All right guys, here we go. So I purchased 15 of these rolls on dollartree.com for only $1. After measuring some of the drawers, I sat my pregnant booty down and cut a few strips to the exact same size. Well, not exact because I am not a precise type of lady. What I love about these liners is even if you don't get it perfect the first time, you can pull it off and try again and again and again and again in my case. Having someone to help you with this project is a plus, especially if you have a big baby bump in the way. I love that they're extremely easy to pull off. The rolls are actually quite long. Since I'm not a precise type of lady, I had to recut a few because I did not cover the whole drawer. But it's all good in the hood because I am me. At this point, I'm not even halfway done. I am completely out of breath and my back is on fire. At this point, I decided to grab a pencil and start lining it out so I wouldn't have to keep going back and forth and redoing it. I am so ready for this project to be done. Here I am getting to the lower cabinets, which was even harder than the higher cabinets. And here you have it, a $15 project that makes your drawers and your cabinets look extra pretty and extra clean. And they're extremely easy to pull off if you get tired of that print. But again, it did take a while since we did have a lot of drawers in our new kitchen.